The 10 people that watch colours so dark.
Rude. I'll ask you the question.
Oh, I don't want this on TikTok. Okay, the only rule is, because my school will find this whoever employs me, so there's no swearing at all.
No swearing. Never.
In any videos,
No.
otherwise I'll be shunned.
Okay, that's fine. Right. Good morning, everyone.
Not
Lucy.
good morning, that was so formal. That is not chatty at all.
Hey, everyone. So, babe, why don't you tell everyone where are we going today?
No, you put on a funny voice.
I didn't put on a
You
funny
do,
voice.
you change the way you talk, and you do it in Tom's videos as well, and
I
Andy's.
don't.
Yeah, you do, you know. So, everyone. So, Lucy, where are we going today? You put on like an interview voice.
Where are we going today?
We're going to Norfolk Tulip Gardens.
Okay, why are we going? Why have you dragged me along?
To look at the pretty tulips, and also you wanted to go.
I didn't want to go.
Yeah, you did.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you did.
I suppose I can take some photos.
Yeah, exactly.
So we've set up the camera and we're going to bring everyone along with us
Yay!
to cure my boredom. So
That's not true.
enjoy, everyone. Press the button.
Press the button.
Press the button.
Press the button.
Right, so we've just filled up. What have I bought you?
Are you okay? It's
I
definitely only bought me this because it's recording it. He wouldn't normally buy me something.
I would.
That is not true.
We are also in a hire car. My car is in for repairs and it's got some very annoying. I always do the speed limit, but it keeps dinging at me for the speed limit, which is great fun. So, right, we'll see you guys when we get there. White Hills Wood. We're just round the corner from the tulips. We're going here for a little walk. I'm going to take some pictures and yeah, have some fun, hopefully.
I call this dating Callum with his camera. Callum with his camera's back. Callum and his camera. That is a perk, yes.
Yeah, there are many perks.
Well, are any other perks?
Places that we go to.
Aw, that's so
they're like
lovely.
memories.
Yeah, that's so sweet.
There you go.
You need to print some of them off then.
Probably. Right, so it seems we've arrived at the tulips. I'm really happy about it. You're going to decide what to wear? Yeah. It's across your books, decide what we wear. I'm sure I'll have great fun and I'll try and get some videos of the tulips if I can be bothered. Yeah, I'm loving life right now. Who doesn't want to pay to walk in a field? No, I didn't pay, that is true, I didn't actually pay. But I wouldn't pay, that's the thing. I wouldn't pay. But yeah. I don't know if it's
gonna. It would have been nicer if it was sunny, but it's not.
Yeah, it would have been nicer if it was sunnier. But I don't think I'm going to get any amazing photos somehow today. But we'll see, you never know. Okay, so I'm very slowly cheering up because I'm actually taking some quite nice photos, which has helped. Lucy's quite happy because she's taking some nice photos, so it's all going quite well at the moment.